So, you've got the new MacBook Neo, thin, fast, and beautiful. But lately, if it's overheating, something's giving you a temperature warning, and performance is slowing down, don't worry. Here are 7 simple ways to keep your Neo cool and running smoothly. First, check your surroundings. Recycled aluminum is great at dissipating heat, but it also absorbs it. Try not to use and leave your Neo in direct sunlight for a long time. Even a few minutes of extra sun can cause thermal throttling. Secondly, stay off soft surfaces like beds or pillows. They block the vents. Stick to a flat, hard surface to let the air flow. The third tip is to open settings to display, and it's recommended to keep the brightness low when you're at home. You can also turn off adaptive brightness to keep auto switching. Totally your call. Next, let's take a look at your software. High heat usually means your processor is working too hard. Open Spotlight Search and search with Activity Monitor. Make sure you're in the CPU section. From here, you can check for all the active background programs hogging your CPU. If you aren't using one, select the program or app and hit the stop button to close it. Talking about background activities, too many open tabs and background apps are the #1 cause of internal overheating. So, the quickest way to clear it up is to click on the Apple logo. Go to Force Quit. Select all the unnecessary background apps and then force quit it. Now, let's talk power. The Neo charges via USB-C, which makes it tempting to use any generic cable you have lying around. Don't do it. Third-party chargers often provide inconsistent voltage, which causes the battery and internal circuits to heat up rapidly. Also, use the original Apple charger to ensure stable power delivery. And lastly, make sure there's no pending software update. If there's any available update, install it as soon as possible. Follow these simple techniques and your MacBook Neo will stay cool and last longer.